Hey DIYers, if you've watched me for a while, you know I am a huge fan of malachite, and I love finding new ways to paint faux malachite. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making some faux malachite accessories for your home that look like $1 million. We are using my Americana premium tube acrylics from Decor. They are one of my favorite paints, and we're making these prints on my gel press. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make faux malachite. Americana premium tube acrylics have a satin sheen and are created to work well on many surfaces, including wood, canvas, metal, ceramic, bisque, and paper. These tube acrylics are quickly becoming my favorite paint to use on my gel press. The name malachite is believed to come from the Greek word malokaitis, referring to the mallow leaf, which is similar in color. A 17th century Spanish superstition held that having a child wear a piece of malachite would help them sleep and keep evil spirits at bay. Malachite is considered a rare gemstone in that the original deposits for the stones have been depleted, leaving behind very few sources. Just a quick reminder to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a second. I love hearing from you. I really do. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press this notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I will see you next week. Bye.